A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Track 2. A.
What's your name?
Paolo.
How do you spell it?
P-A-O-L-O.
B.
What's your name?
Rosa.
How do you spell it?
R-O-S-A.
C.
What's your name?
José.
How do you spell it?
J-O-S-E.
D.
What's your name?
Joelle.
How do you spell it?
J-O-E-L-L-E.
E.
What's your name?
Ethan.
How do you spell it?
E-T-H-A-N.
F.
What's your name?
Sophia.
How do you spell it?
S-O-P-H-I-A.
Track 3.
What's your name?
William.
How do you spell it?
W-I-L-L-I-A-M.
Track 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Track 5. 1.
How old are you, Ryan? 14.
2.
How old are you, Penny?
17.
3.
How old are you, Jack?
9.
4.
How old are you, David?
11.
5.
How old are you, Anna?
8.
6,
How old are you, Lara?
12.
Track 6,
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Track 7, A,
Girl.
B,
Teacher.
C,
Board.
D,
Apple.
E,
Rubbers.
F,
Orange.
G,
Picture.
H,
Rulers.
I,
Pens.
J,
Pencils.
K,
Pencil case.
L,
Boy.
M.
Books.
Track 8,